this paper. It is a paper that is a short paper, but we have lengthy question in this. In the last 4-5 क्वेश्चन, आखिरी के 5-6 क्वेश्चन जो ऐसे हैं कि लेंदी हैं. तो जैसे कि 81 हो गया, 77, 81, 51, 49, 46, 39. पीछे से पेपर चालू करेंगे ज़्यादा अच्छा होगा. 28, 24, 19, 20, 15, 13, 10. ये क्या हो जाएंगे? अच्छे क्वेश्चन हो जाएंगे. और अच्छा पेपर है, थोड़ा सा आसान भी है, थोड़ा सा, लेकिन थोड़ा सा अच्छे क्वेश्चन भी हैं. तो 330+ अच्छा स्कोर होगा इस पेपर में. In which type of vascular bundle xylem is covered on both sides by phloem? So we have bicollateral type of vascular bundle in which the xylem in the center and we have phloem that surrounds the xylem. So it is bicollateral vascular bundle which is found in cucurbitas. Out of total energy received by herbivore from producer, how much is passed to carnivore? Okay, it is Lindemann's 10% law. That is 10% of the energy passes from one trophic level to next trophic level. Vaccination help in the development of antibodies. So we have antibodies. That is the required answer. SA node is located in the right upper corner of the right atrium. So it is right atrium or right auricle. The chief water conducting element of xylem in sequoia tree is nothing but a gymnosperm, and in gymnosperm which lack vessels. Okay, so tracheids are the main water conducting tissue. Atmosphere, aerobic. Okay, aerobic atmosphere is maintained by plants. Okay, the secondary metabolite belonging to same category are, okay, we have ART, that is assisted reproductive technology. That means arabine ricin belongs to toxin. That is first. And D, okay, we have, okay, category, they belong to same category, they are toxin. Endosperm is not seen in the seed of family. Orchidaceae means Orchidaceae are not endospermic. These are monocot, but these are not endospermic. A genetic muscular disorder is, okay, muscular dystrophy is a genetic muscle disorder. Okay, Darwin finches of Galapagos Island provide evidences in favor of what? They provide evidence for geological history or geological distribution, that is biogeographical evolution. Cork is commonly used for sealing bottle. It is produced by the cork camera, that is phallogen. जन्नी है ये, जन्नी है किसकी? सेल्स की. That is, it forms the phloem, that is cork, and it forms the phloem, that is secondary cortex. Mark the incorrect option. Larva of Scoliodon exists. No, larva is viviparous, so it does not show any that. Okay, so it is viviparous and it's so internal fertilization, so it does not have any larva. Our first option is incorrect and the required answer. Lateral line is absent in Bangas. Yes, retractation system is present in the members of Chondrochytes, and air bladder is present in beta because it is a member of Osteogytes, okay, or bony fishes. They contain air bladder. All chordate are deuterostome. Deutero means बाद में, stome means mouth बाद में आया. Okay, mouth बाद में आता है. पहले क्या बनता है? एनस बनता है, फिर माउथ बनता है. बड़े आदमी है ये. पहले सुबह उठ के क्या करते हैं ये? पहले कुछ और चीज़ों को ध्यान देते हैं, उसके बाद खाने का ध्यान देते हैं. Which of the following statement is correct about leaflet of compound leaves? They are always born laterally in one plane. No, कभी एक ही प्लेन में हमेशा हो ऐसा जरूरी नहीं है. They do not bear axillary bud. Yes, leaflet के एक्साइल में कभी भी axillary bud नहीं पाया जाएगा. It is correct. They bear stipules at the base. No. They may arise at the tip of petiole. Yes, like in the silk cotton we have palmately compound leaf. Okay, so we have B and D, which is correct and the required answer. Amino terminal and carboxyl terminal is observed in the primary structure because the left amino acid or the first amino acid, first or left, is N-termine, and the last and R last is reducing it, and it is known as C-termine. It is seen in primary structure of the protein. It is seen in primary structure of the protein. Escherichia coli is used extensively in biological research because, तो ऐसे आ जाते हैं ई से easy और सी से कल्चर, easily कल्चरेबल है, इसीलिए इसको क्या कर सकते हो, तो इस्तेमाल करते हैं किसमें, जेनेटिक इंजीनियरिंग में, बिकॉज इट कैन बी कल्चर्ड इजीली इन मीडियम और लीस्ट न्यूट्रिएंट मीडियम. Okay, from the following options, select the plant which is not an example of C4 plant. C. जय माँ सरस्वती बोलो प्यारे. जय माँ सरस्वती बोलो प्यारे. So ज्वार, maize and sugarcane. ज्वार, maize and sugarcane and sorghum are the examples of C4 plant, but rice is not a C4 plant. Correlate the hormone level with its level for given below days. Okay. 1 to 5 days is okay. 1 to 5 days, that means it is phases of menstrual. Okay, it is a menstrual phase. Okay, where degeneration of endometrium occur, so there is a decrease in LH concentration. There is decrease in LH concentration, so we have eliminated D option. And 12 to 14, where there is an increase in FSH and LH, where there is increase in FSH and LH. Okay, peak, and LH maintain and FSH level increase during A. So during 28 days, okay, 28 days, LH level maintain and FSH level increase. Okay, LH level decrease and FSH level maintain. See, during 25 to 28 days, LH level will maintain and FSH level will increase. Okay, FSH level will increase. Okay, FSH level will increase. In 1 to 5 days, LH level will decrease and FSH will increase. Okay, so this is the required answer. This is required FSH and LH peak. Okay, at ovulation we have LH and FSH peak. At ovulation we have LH and FSH peak, है ना. तो यहाँ पे ovulation में हमें FLH भी और FSH दोनों का सर्च देखने को मिलता है. Okay, so this is the required answer. Funaria anthrazoid are, these are biflagellated. These are biflagellated, means these are flagellated. What happened when there is muscular fatigue? If there is muscular fatigue, then there is the formation of lactic acid by lactic acid fermentation. So lactic acid तो बनेगा, lactic acid तो बनेगा, मोर बनेगा, लिटिल नहीं बनेगा, मोर बनेगा. नो लैक्टिक एसिड क्यों भाई, मोर बनेगा. और लिटिल भी बनेगा, लिटिल भी क्योंकि फर्मेंटेशन में कम बनता है, लिटिल ग्लाइकोजन और मोर लैक्टिक एसिड. What kind of impact does loss of biodiversity have on environment? Okay, the impact according to NCERT is decline in the production, lowered resistance of the environment perturbation, and increased variability to certain ecosystem processes such as productivity, water use, and pest disease. So which all of these are correct? Which one of the following is not a lateral meristeme? C. Integrally meristeme is not a lateral meristeme, it increases the length only. Lateral meristeme we have phallogen, interfascicular cambium, and interfascicular cambium, and intra. Chiasmata is most clearly visible in the diploid stage. Okay, chiasmata is visible in diploid stage. Tetany is characterized by which of the following? Tetany is characterized by the lowered calcium level or lowered blood calcium. Which of the following are secondary medullary rays? See, secondary medullary rays are narrow bands of parenchyma. These are the narrow bands of parenchyma. Secondary medullary rays are the narrow bands of parenchyma. The eubacteria cellular part that is similar to eukaryotic cell is plasma membrane. Plasma membrane is same as NCERT has had. NCERT, hence here NCERT has written that this membrane is structurally similar to that of eukaryotes. Means it is when asking, it is when explaining about prokaryote, that it said that it is also similar to the plasma membrane of eukaryote. Means it is universal. Which of the following would show pentahedral symmetry and have calcareous endoskeleton? C. Echinodermata members. These members have endoskeleton, not endo. The development of endoskeleton starts from this phylum, that is phylum Echinodermata. The endoskeleton is made of calcareous or cycles, and the very important is mouth is ventral. Mouth is ventral. Okay, mouth is ventral. All the following have epigynous and perigynous except. So we have China brinjal rose, okay, MCB, mustard, China and brinjal rose have hypogynous condition. Mustard, China and brinjal rose, okay, brinjal है ना, mustard, China and brinjal has hypogynous condition, hypogynous. Which of the following is correct according to Ernest Mayr? See, this Ernest Mayr, okay, sir, Ernest Mayr is known as the father of 20th century. Sorry, this is known, sir, also known as the Darwin of 20th century. Sir, Ernest Mayr is also known as the Darwin of 20th century, and he gave the concept of a species that says all organisms of a population have a common gene pool. Okay, meiosis take place in meiocytes. Okay, meiosis, okay, undergo meiocyte. Meiocyte are the diploid structure, and we have two important things that potato have 24 to n equals to, okay, in potato n equals to 24, in potato n equals to 24, in potato n equals to 24, and in maize 2n equals to 20. It is important. In Drosophila, sorry, in housefly 2n equals to 12. In housefly 2n equals to 12. The main difference between DNA and RNA is that, okay, the nature of sugar and pyridine. In deoxyribose sugar is found in DNA and ribose sugar is found in RNA, whereas pyrimidine, that is thymine and adenine, okay, sorry, thymine that is found in CUT, thymine and cytosine is found in DNA, and uracil and cytosine is found in RNA. So the base, the sugar and pyrimidine differ. The main cloning vector used for DNA sequencing in Human Genome Project was BAC and YAC, that is bacterial assisted chromosome and yeast artificial chromosome. Gödel experiment involved the removal of ring wood of tissue outside the vascular cambium from the tree trunk. This led to that of plant because of, okay, it is due to starvation of root, okay, that is starvation of root, okay, because the food does not go to the roots, and they die due to starvation. The suspended solid in sewage can be removed at which step? Okay, the suspended solid is also known as physical treatment. Okay, primary treatment is known as physical treatment, where suspended solid are removed, and it is by filtration and sedimentation. Which of the following structure are not supported by incomplete cartilaginous links? See, okay, this incomplete cartilaginous links are supported and except, okay, each it is supported by in trachea, primary, secondary, tertiary and initial bronchioles, and not in the terminal bronchioles. Terminal bronchioles are not surrounded by incomplete cartilaginous rings, which are made up of hyaline cartilage. Diplontic life cycle is found in fucus, okay, which is the member of brown algae. Which of these enzymes are involved in DNA isolation of fungi? We have chitinase. Sickle cell anemia is induced by, okay, it is induced by change in the amino acid in the beta globulin chain. Okay, GAG is replaced by GUG. GAG is replaced by GUG. That means glutamic acid is replaced by valine. During the past century, the temperature of Earth has increased 0.6 degree. During the last 3 decades, 0.6 degree in last 3 decades. Given below are some of the processes which take place in our ear when they are exposed to any sound. Arrange this in correct order of sequence. सबसे पहले तो ई सब में है, अच्छा, फिर जनरेशन ऑफ इम्पल्स तो लास्ट में होगा, जनरेशन ऑफ इम्पल्स एंड ट्रांसमिशन थ्रू ऑडिटरी अभी लास्ट में होगा. सो वी हैव एलिमिनेटेड ए एंड डी, एंड देन वी हैव ओनली वन डिफरेंस इन दिस, दैट इज बी एंड डी का पोजीशन बताना है. बी एंड डी का वाइब्रेशन ट्रैवल फ्रॉम ओवल विंडो टू द कॉक्लिया टू द फ्लूइड ऑफ द कॉक्लिया एंड डी द जनरेशन ऑफ वेव इन द लिम्फ. सी, जब वाइब्रेशन आएगा तब तो जनरेशन होगा किसका? वेव्स का. तो पहले बी होगा फिर डी होगा. The percentage of juxtamedullary nephron in kidney is, see, we have 80 to 25% cortical nephron and 50% juxtamedullary nephron. With respect to bacteria, pilus, which of the following statement is not true? Okay, they play an important role in movement. No, they does not play an important role in movement. Okay, fimbriae and pili are the structure which help in attachment and not will, and it does not play an important role in motility. Choose the option that correctly identifies blank in the statement given below. Embryo develop at the micropylar end, क्योंकि micropylar end में एग apparatus पाया जाता है, और जब एग apparatus में सिंगेमी हो जाएगा तो वहीं पे एम्ब्रियो का डेवलपमेंट चालू हो जाएगा. So A is micropylar end and not chalaza. So it is incorrect. It is eliminated. B, dash seed was discovered during the archaeological excavation at King Harold Palace. Okay, so Phoenix dactylifera discovered. Okay, it is the seed of date palm that is also known as Phoenix dactylifera. Okay, it is Phoenix dactylifera. B is Phoenix dactylifera. So this can be our answer. It is not lupin. So we have eliminated A and D. B, okay. C, that's the form of sexual reproduction which mimics sexual reproduction. So apomix is a type of asexual reproduction which mimics sexual reproduction. So we have C, which is apomixis and not amphimixis. So the correct answer is C. The function of nucleated cell in phloem or nucleated cell in phloem is, the nucleated cell that is present in phloem is nothing. It is companion cell, and the companion cell help in adding the sucrose in the sieve tubes by active transport. Active is also loading is also active, and unloading is also active in translocation of sucrose. Which of the following pair is an example of sedimentary type of biogeochemical cycle? C, we have sulfur and phosphorus. With sulfur and phosphorus, the cycle are sedimentary. The phosphorus and sulfur cycle are sedimentary. Choose the correct option with respect to diagram. A is denaturation which occurs at 94 degree Celsius. Second is primering. Annealing का पर्यायवाची होता है addition. So addition of primer at 52 degree Celsius. So denaturation, and then primer annealing, and then DNA polymerase. No. It is Taq polymerase that is obtained from highly stable, thermostable Taq polymerase. Thermus aquaticus obtain करते हैं इसको. Which of the following is incorrect statement about the second response of the body against previous infected pathogen? The main antibody formed during the secondary immune response is IgM. No. First primary immune response is mediated by IgM, and the secondary immune response is mediated by IgG and not IgM. So it is the wrong statement and the required answer. Okay, what gets removed during processing? So C peptide is removed during the processing. The condition or process of deterioration with age is known as senescence, budhapa. If the forest cover is reduced to half, the most likely outcome will be large area will become desert. ज़्यादातर एरिया क्या बन जाएंगे? डेजर्ट, क्योंकि क्या नहीं हो पाएगा, प्लांट ग्रोथ नहीं हो पाएगा. Lignite cavity articulate with the humerus. Lignite cavity, it articulate with the humerus. This lignite cavity is present in, see this lignite cavity. This lignite cavity articulate with the head of the humerus. Mark the correct option. Darwin variation very small and directionless. No, they are directional, so it is incorrect. Fitness is the end result of the ability to adapt and get selected by nature. Yes, fitness is the end result of the ability to adapt and get selected by the nature. So it is correct and the required answer. Which of the following hormone targets Sertoli cell for the production of androgen binding protein and favor spermiogenesis? C, FSH act on the Sertoli cell and stimulate the secretion of some factor which help in spermiogenesis, that is functional maturation of sperm. Which of the following structure will be seen in metaphase 1 of meiosis 1 if we have 64 chromosomes, see 64 chromosome means we have 64 structure like this, we have 64 structure like this, then we will get 32 pairs, means we have 32 bivalents. One is this, two is this, and we have we have 64 chromosome like this is single chromosome, and like this chromosome we have this type of chromosome कितने अपने पास, ऐसे ऐसे chromosome अपने 64 हैं, इसे जोड़ी कितनी बनेगी 32 बढ़ेगी, 32 bivalents is seen. Select the molecule which cannot act as inducer. C. Lactose is the real inducer, and galactose and glucose are not. So we have D, which is the required answer. The hormone that activate the membrane bound receptor are, these are the protein hormone which have the main, okay, which have the cellular receptor or membrane receptor like FSH, which is the pituitary hormone. So peptide hormone and membrane receptors. Which of the following properties in the option given below will be shown by all the following organisms? Trypanosoma, it is also the member of protozoa. Lactiluca, member of dinoflagellate monocystis. Okay, and Giardia, these all are protist members. So they are unicellular protist. Choose the effect, okay, produced by the failure of contraction of circular ciliary muscle. और ये सर्कुलर सिलियरी मसल क्या हो गए, कंट्रैक्ट हो गए. ये ऐसे होने का मतलब है कंट्रैक्ट हो जाए. कंट्रैक्ट होने से जब हम दूर की चीज़ पास की देखते हैं तो अपने आंखों पर जोड़ देते हैं कि नहीं देते. अगर पास की चीज़ देखते हैं तो अपने आंखों में जोड़ देते हैं कि नहीं देते, बिल्कुल देते हैं. तो आँख में जब जोड़ देते हैं तो क्या होता है, ये ठीक हो जाता है और ठीक हो जाता है. ये जो अपने पास लेंस जहाँ पर आँख पर जोड़ देते हैं तो क्या होता है, ठीक हो जाता है. ये जोड़ देते हैं तो आँख पर ठीक हो जाता है. लेकिन यहाँ पर क्या होगा, कंट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा. जब आप आँख पर जोड़ देते हैं तो आँख पर जब जोड़ देते हैं तो ये सिलियरी मसल क्या होते हैं, कंट्रैक्ट हो जाते हैं. लेकिन जब क्या हो गया, हमने सिलियरी मसल काट दी तो आँख कंट्रैक्ट नहीं हो पाएगी, तो आँख पर ज़्यादा जोड़ नहीं पड़ेगा तो आँख क्या हो जाएगी, लेंस विल थिन एंड स्ट्रेच. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सिमिलर फिनोटाइप when unrelated organism are subjected to the same selection pressure. जब selection pressure सेम है मतलब environmental condition सेम है. जब environmental condition सेम है मतलब एनालॉजी देखने को मिलेगी, एनवर्जेंट इवोल्यूशन देखने को मिलेगा. यही तो कारण था कि एनालॉजी देखने को मिलती है क्योंकि एनवायरमेंटल कंडीशन क्या होते हैं, सेम. डेवलपमेंट ऑफ सिमिलर फिनोटाइप. ओके, nucleated RBC is located in frog. Okay, frog, RBC of frog is nucleated. As per the fluid mosaic model, how many phospholipid molecules are arranged in lipid bilayer? So they are amphipathic. Okay, how? Okay, they are arranged how? So they are amphipathic, means they have both hydrophobic and hydrophilic end. Hydrophobic and both hydrophilic mean they have non-polar tail which is made of saturated fatty acid. They have non-polar tail which is made of saturated fatty acid. Which of the following graph correspond to population of 2000 individual with 800 birth and 200 death over a given period? सी अपने पास क्या होगा, नेट क्या हो गया, 1400 बर्थ था और 200 हो गया तो नेट क्या हो गया, पॉपुलेशन डिक्रीज हो गया. तो डिक्रीज हो गया तो पहला वाला दिख रहा है, डिक्रीज वाला. ओके, साइंटिफिक नोमेनक्लेचर ऑफ द प्लांट इन रोजा इंडिका एल, वे एल करस्पॉन्ड टू, जैसे कि मंजीफर इंडिका एल लीन में एल रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है नाम को, उसी प्रकार यहाँ भी एल रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है नाम को. REN is nothing but restriction endonuclease. It is an enzyme. ART is involved. See, assisted reproductive technologies. Assisted reproductive technologies. These are the couple could assist to have child through certain special technique. This is known as assisted reproductive technology. Okay, include number of special technique which assist in fertile couple to have child. Hormone that promote female flower in cucumber is ethepone. Ethepone is the hormone that produce female cucumber, that promote female cucumber in फीमेल फ्लावर इन कुकुम्बर, नॉट फीमेल कुकुम्बर. फीमेल फ्लावर इन कुकुम्बर में हेल्प करेगा बनाने के लिए इथेफोन. What is the meaning of stability in context to biological communities? Okay, stability in context of biological communities means first is more species show less year to year variation in total biomass. Increased diversity contribute to higher productivity. It is according to David Tillman. So it is all are correct, all incorrect. And the next is wilting, means मुरझा जाना. wilting occur in the plant irrigated in soil having excessive salt. अगर ये प्लांट है, सॉइल अगर ज़्यादा है, सॉइल में सॉल्ट ज़्यादा है, अगर यहाँ पे पानी डाल दिया मैंने और जब पानी डालने के बाद देखा तो यहाँ से सारा पानी बाहर जाएगा क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या था, ये हाइपरटोनिक हो गया था. जब पानी बाहर चला जाएगा तो क्या बोलेंगे, इसको एक्सोस्मोसिस कहेंगे. विच द फॉलोइंग इज करेक्ट अबाउट कंस्टिट्यूएंट ऑफ बायोगैस। ये आ गया था पहले टेस्ट में, एनटीए टेस्ट नंबर 1 में आया था ये, एनटीए टेस्ट नंबर 1 में आया था, वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट है वो वाला टेस्ट। ओके, तो यहाँ पे 50 to 70% मीथेन पाया जाता है। इफ अ चाइल्ड हैविंग ब्लड ग्रुप, ओके, इफ अ चाइल्ड हैविंग ब्लड ग्रुप ओ, सी कैन नॉट हैव, सी अगर इसके पास ब्लड ग्रुप ओ है तो यहाँ पे क्या नहीं हो सकता, ए बी नहीं हो सकता। अगर ए बी हुआ तो इनके पास सिर्फ चांसेस क्या हैं, ए बनने के या फिर ए बी बनने के या फिर बी बनने के, नॉट ओ बनने के चांसेस ही नहीं हैं। विच द फॉलोइंग कैन, ओके, विच द फॉलोइंग कैन सिंगल सेल प्रोटीन बी ऑब्टेन, ओके, फ्रॉम बैक्टीरिया वी कैन ऑब्टेन लाइक क्लोरेला, and from algae like spirulina, and from fungi like Saccharomyces. Deficiency of vasopressin causes diabetes insipidus, कुछ फीका हो जाए, डायबिटीज इंसिपिडस बोलते हैं, टेस्टलेस यूरिन के नाम से जानते हैं इसमें सिम्टम। Test cross is used to determine the unknown genotype within one breeding generation. Yes, test cross is a cross between F1 with dominant parent. No, it is dominant. No, it is homozygous recessive parent. So it is incorrect, and we have first is correct and second is incorrect. What is correct about syphilis? Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease. Syphilis is a sexually transmitted disease. Prevented by using non-medicated IUDs? No. It is prevented by using barrier method like condoms. Communicable from an infected mother to developing fetus across placenta, absolutely correct. It causative agent is virus, no, it is caused by trypanosoma, that is a bacteria, okay, that is अपने वाला CG सर चल रहे हैं, CG सर जो होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं, बैक्टीरिया से इनको डिसीज होता है, that is clamidiasis, gonorrhea and syphilis caused by bacteria. Incurable at all the stage affected individual, ये गलत है, ये भी गलत है, ये भी गलत है, तो पहला वाला दूसरा से ये कम्युनिकेबल हो जाएगा, दूसरे मदर से फिटस तक। विच कॉन्सेप्ट इज नॉट कंसिडर्ड इन डिटरमाइनिंग अ हॉटस्पॉट, ओके, एट अ हॉटस्पॉट वी हैव हाई, very high level specificness, high degree of endemism, high degree of threat, and we don't have a low genetic diversity, we have high genetic diversity, we have high genetic diversity at the hotspot when we have 34 hotspot. Select the incorrect statement. The partial pressure of CO2 is higher in air inside the lungs. Okay, the air inside the lungs have a CO2 has a partial pressure of 40, and it is saying that it is higher than the partial pressure of CO2 in the lungs. No, it has 45, so it is less than and not higher than, so it is incorrect in the required answer. Which among the following vector can clone only a small fragment of DNA? C. Plasmid can code only small. Plasmid can code only small fragment of DNA. Large fragment of DNA is coded by YSC and BSC. प्लस माइनस टाइप ऑफ पॉपुलेशन इंटरेक्शन इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय सी। प्लस माइनस मीन्स एक का फायदा एक का नुकसान, तो ये पैरासिटिज्म है, और पैरासिटिज्म में मैंने बोला कहाँ पे पैरासिटिज्म, कस्कुटा एंड हेज प्लांट, कस्कुटा एंड हेज प्लांट सो पैरासिटिज्म, कस्कुटा एंड हेज प्लांट सो पैरासिटिज्म। कंपटीशन में दोनों का नुकसान होता है। ओके, एंड दे हैव लॉस्ट द क्लोरोफिल इन द course of evolution. They have lost chlorophyll in the course of evolution. The mineral ion that act as an the mineral ion that act as an inactivator. Okay, the mineral ion that act as an activator of both rubisco and pappcase is nothing. It is magnesium. Magnesium that act as a activator for both. If the ovary is half inferior, then it could be called as half inferior. Then it is called as perigynous. Then it is called as perigynous. In Mirabilis jalapa, the homozygous white, capital small r. Okay, this is that thing I know, but the main thing is when a pink flower that is capital small is crossed with red flower means capital R, and then we will get capital R and capital R small r. So we have 50% of red and 50% of pink. Mowing grass lawn facilitate better maintenance because mowing grass lawn facilitate better maintenance. Okay, lowing grass lawn better maintenance because of the removal of apical dominance and stimulation of intercalary meristem. ऐसा क्वेश्चन को याद होना चाहिए था, पहली बार में ज़्यादा लोग गलती होती है, क्योंकि यहाँ पे रिमूवल ऑफ एपिकल डोमिनेंस से लोग कन्फ्यूज रहते हैं इसके से बीच में, लेकिन यहाँ पे ग्रास है ना, तो ग्रास में क्या होगा, अपने पास ग्रास में जो ग्रासेस हैं वहाँ पे रिजनरेट किया जाता है एपिकल ग्रेजिंग हर्बीवोर्स, मतलब खाने ऊपर अगर खा लोगे तो वो क्या हो जाएगा, रिजनरेट हो जाएगा। तो बी इज द मोर करेक्ट आंसर देन कंपेयर टू सी। Okay, given below is a pedigree chart of a family with children. Okay, so inheritance of attached earlobe as opposed to free one. The square represent the male individual and the circle female individual. Which one the following conclusion drawn is correct? अगर फीमेल, अगर सॉरी यार पेरेंट अनअफेक्टेड और चाइल्ड अफेक्टेड है तो यहाँ पर रिसेसिव तो होगा ही होगा, और रिसेसिव है तो यहाँ पे अगर ऐसे भी यहाँ पे इंडिविजुअल अफेक्टेड हो रहे हैं तो या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है या फिर ऐसा हो सकता है। तो यहाँ पे दोनों पेरेंट हेटेरोजाइगस होंगे तभी तभी क्या होगा, वो अनअफेक्टेड होंगे और जो चाइल्ड होंगे वो अफेक्टेड होंगे। द स्टल्क अटैचिंग ओव्यूल टू प्लासेंटा, द स्टल्क इज नोन एज फ्यूनिकल, द स्टल्क इज नोन एज फ्यूनिकल एंड द जंक्शन इज हाइलम, द स्टल्क इज नोन एज फ्यूनिकल एंड द जंक्शन इज हाइलम, the stalk is known as funicle and the junction is hilum. Select the incorrect statement. T lymphocyte mediated cell mediated immunity is correct. Body is able to differentiate self and non-self, and humoral immunity is responsible for graft reaction. No, cell mediated immunity is responsible for graft reaction, so it is incorrect and the required answer. The first reaction of Krebs cycle include, okay, the first step the Krebs cycle is the condensation of acetyl group with oxaloacetic acid to and water to yield citric acid. Condensation of citric acid with condensation of oxaloacetic acid with acetyl coenzyme and formation of citric acid. Not oxalosuccinic acid, sorry, not oxalosuccinic acid. We have oxaloacetic acid. This is from first member of Krebs cycle. Okay, which of the following from the following which one best suit a characteristic of vegetative cell in pollen grain? See, vegetative cell, see which cell, vegetative cell. The vegetative cell is bigger and has abundant food reserve, is bigger and but lack food reserve. No, we have to find the best. So it is fluid, no, it is large than it is, but like food is up. No, have irregular shaped nuclei. Yes, it has irregular shaped nucleus. The function of Sertoli cell is to control the okay. So the function of Sertoli cell is controlled by the FSH. You have observed that many athlete appear. एक ऐसा क्वेश्चन जो कि हाँ भाई थोड़ा दिमाग लगेगा इसमें. You have appeared that many athletes appear to be rather out of breath, on completion of their event. This is true for non-athlete after short bout of exercise. Running for bus, for example, at the end of normal inhalation, the breath can be held from between 30 to 50 seconds. The breath holding time immediately after exercise is shorter. This least likely cause will be यहाँ पे स्टिमुलेशन नहीं होगा ब्रीथिंग सेंटर का. इंक्रीज तो हो जाएगा कि अपने पास कैरोटिड आर्टरी और आर्टिक आर्च में क्या होता है, कैरोटिड आर्टरी और आर्टिक आर्च में क्या होता है, H+ और CO2 की सेंसिटिव चीज़ होती है, तो CO2 से रिलेटेड चीज़ होगी, pH से रिलेटेड चीज़ होगी, और इंक्रीज इन द लैक्टिक एसिड कंसंट्रेशन. मसल एक्सरसाइज किया है आदमी ने तो यहाँ पे लैक्टिक एसिड तो बनना ही है, तो ये भी होगा. तो आंसर ये नहीं होगा. पता नहीं क्यों नहीं होगा, लेकिन हमने बोला ये नहीं होगा कि एलिमिनेशन मेथड चालू कर दिया. ये डायरेक्टली ब्रीथिंग सेंटर को स्टिमुलेट नहीं करता है ना, ये डायरेक्टली ब्रीथिंग सेंटर को एक्टिवेट नहीं करता. सेलेक्ट सी एज क्या है, एक्साइल प्रेजेंटेशन है. एक्साइल का आया था TLC में, एक्साइल पाया था TSC में. एक्साइल कहाँ पाया जाता है, TLC में, डेट इज टमाटो लेमन एंड चाइना रोज. टमाटो लेमन एंड चाइना रोज में क्या पाया था, एक्साइल. P इज टमाटो लेमन एंड चाइना रोज, सो P इज मैच्ड विद C. एंड Q इज parietal and parietal is found in Ma. Ma means mustard and argemone. Q is matched with A. So we have this is the B is the required answer. Percentage of offspring with genotype. दिस इज क्रॉस. सो हमने बोला है अगर हमारे पास यहाँ पे कैपिटल ए स्मॉल ए की बात करें, कैपिटल बी की और कैपिटल सी, तो यहाँ पे क्या देखो, यहाँ पे जो क्रॉस है ना इन दोनों के बीच में, वो अपने पास क्या मिलेगा, ये मिलेगा, ये तो जो कंट्रीब्यूशन है इसका आधा हो जाएगा. और यहाँ पे इसका भी तो 1 ही होगा, इसका भी तो 1 ही होगा, क्योंकि यहाँ पे क्या होंगे दोनों में से 1/2. सॉरी, इसका कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या है, इन दोनों से जब क्रॉस कराएंगे कैपिटल बी का असली तो ये कैपिटल बी स्मॉल बी पूछना चाहते हैं. द परसेंटेज ऑफ ऑफस्प्रिंग विद जीनोटाइप दिस फ्रॉम अक्रॉस दिस एंड दिस. ठीक है, अपने को क्या पूछा है, देखो इन दोनों क्रॉस किया तो यहाँ पे कंट्रीब्यूशन क्या हो जाएगा, ये चाहिए अपने को हेट्रो जाएगा, सबके लिए हेट्रो जाएगा, सी अपने को. ठीक है ना, ये क्रॉस करा रहा है तो यहाँ पे स्मॉल ए क्या हो जाएगा 1/4 इंटू इसका हो जाएगा 1, इसका हो जाएगा 1. सो अपने पास 25%.